Okay, this is the new Maga meat press that came in. This is how it looks. It is a tabletop machine. It is a little bulky, so it's you need at least two people to pick it up. And I want to show you inside and why you would want to open the inside. So at least once a year, you need to check the hydraulic oil. You take the screw from here to access. You're going to lift up the hood, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've actually removed the cover here just so you can see it. So this one here is set up for 220 60 hertz 3-phase. Okay, and the machine is very well built, and you can see what it looks like on the inside here. This is the tank that holds the hydraulic oil, and you can see how high it is. It's transparent. There's the motor in the back. It does have a string here, a spring, so it's safe, and that's how it looks up there. As well, this is where you can put the oil, okay, the new hydraulic oil. When you look on the inside, there's also a filter that goes on the inside of this pump. So if required, you would have to dismantle this if required. And this is what it looks like. And this is goes on the inside of the machine. It's way back there towards the front. Just so you know that that's what this part is for, and that you would have to remove the whole pump and you install it this way. All right, so that's what the machine looks like on the inside. Very well built, very robust, original Maga. There are some copy reverse engineered models out there in the market. When you're buying the Maga meat press, you are buying the original machine. When it comes to changing the plates, you just lift the hood again the opposite direction, and you can change the plates this way. My colleague here, my assistant, will now show you how to just simply put the plate. It's very simple. Right there. It's a matter of seconds. He put on a plate. There's a little lock mechanism there for the plate to loosen and put back on. And show you that again. Okay, just line it up there. Once it's lined up, just lock it. Okay, and you have also on top there, you see how it's done. Right, so I'm gonna press pause here for a second. Okay, so right now we've brought the plate all the way up to the maximum, so you can see the height of max height. And this is how the machine looks like in the back. And what we're doing here is just showing you that you are able to adjust the thickness of the press depending on your meat. Okay, so right now he's bringing it all the way down to, and you can see that this is the plate that we push in, the push-in plate. You're seeing it with the hood up. You're seeing it with how low it can actually go. It could go pretty low. Let's see, is that the lowest that it can go? Okay, so this is the lowest that it can go before actually pressing the button to press. So right now, without pressing the button, that's the lowest. So that means when I press it, it's gonna go, of course, all the way down. Okay, so now that you know that this machine is a tabletop machine, also if you do not want to put it on a table, then you can also purchase the stand that comes with the machine. This stand is actually from the manufacturer, from the machine. As you can see, it's square tubing, and the machine will actually fall into place here. There's square tubing slots here at the bottom of the machine, and it will fall into place. Actually, this goes right in, and you can see there, actually, you can, there we go. You can see that that falls right into the square tubing. Okay, um, when you purchase the stand that's properly and actually made for this machine. So this is the stand here, and the height of this stand, we're gonna get a measuring tape here so that you can see what the height is. And so there we go. Sorry about the gonzo video, but anyway, this is the reality at its best. 26 inches high.